Hey tubers, this is Joe, Mr. Faust, coming at you with Home Depot Seeds review. I haven't done a video in a while because I've been away. Daughter just got married. But anyway, this is a review on this Gorilla tape. I didn't even know Gorilla made tape. I used their glue, works fine. So I got this tape from Home Depot Seeds. It says you can use it on your RV. You can use it underwater, use it on your pool liner. So the stuff's really sticky, and it looks like this. Okay, it has a plastic backing on it. So you want to take off how much you need, cut it, and then you want to take off the plastic protection from the adhesive and then apply it. This is what the top of it looks like. So what I decided to do, I have a refrigerator with a shelf in the RV, and it's almost impossible to find parts. So I wanted to just fix it for temporary. So what I did was I took, the crack was on this shelf right here, okay, it was right in the middle. So I took the tape, you can see the tape right here, and this thing's pretty sturdy right now. I put some on the back as well as on the front. Okay, so nothing's going to fall out of here now. It was cracked so bad, stuff was falling out. Okay, so I took one piece, put it on the front. As you can see, it's like 10 inches long, and then the same on the back. So this should do me for now. And this tape, you're not gonna get this tape off. It's on there pretty well. So I was pretty impressed. I did take the alcohol pads and put them on first. These alcohol pads, you can get them at any pharmacy. They're for medical. So I took a couple pads and wiped the area first to get it nice and clean. Let it dry for a couple, 30 seconds, and then I took the Gorilla Glue or Gorilla Tape and applied it. Like I said, it's really strong. It's waterproof. It's used for patch and seal. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's 4 inches wide by 10 feet long. It has a plastic protection on the back, so you can cut it and then into the length you want and then apply it. Take this plastic off naturally and then apply it to what you want to use. So that's it, folks. This is the Gorilla Tape. Works great. I would recommend it. This is Joe, Mr. Faust, coming at you. Glad you guys come and look at my reviews. Look at my demo tapes. I know I've had a lot of comments, people that are helped from my videos, and that's really why I do these videos. So if there's anything I can do to help anybody, a video, a demonstration, leave them in the comments. Like I said, I'm happy to come watch my videos. Like and subscribe, guys. This is Mr. Faust. I'm out.